In this tutorial I will tell you a very good and brilliant feature of built-in Windows 10 that is called alarm and clock. For launching this app, this feature, you click on search bar and type alarm and clock. Now you can show an icon. Please click on this icon. A window is pop up. Now this alarm and clock window shows few things. Then at the first tab we have an alarm. As the name suggests, alarm means if we want to set an alarm for a particular time. Suppose we want to wake up at 6 o'clock. For this reason I have to set an alarm. For setting an alarm, go to the bottom side and click on plus sign. Here you can click on 6 and 0, and for morning you click on AM. After this, click on save icon at the bottom. That means at 6 o'clock an alarm will wake up us from our sleep. Now as you can see, in second tab we have a icon called clock. Just click on clock. Here you can show that here we have a clock for our country. For example, as you can see here in our country we have Sunday and 13th of September, and our local time is 11:26 p.m. at night. For example, if we want to add another country and cities time, date and local time, for adding another city's time we click on plus sign and the location of this country. For example, we want to add London time, so we type London, England. As we pop up this country, we click on that, and another time is pin up in our map, and you can see that we are behind 4 hours from the London, and London time is 7:27 p.m. and our time is 11:25 same. In the same manner, if we want to add another country's time, we just click on plus sign and enter the name of this country. For example, we type USA, and a pop-up show all the USA cities, and so we click any desired city and a pop-up will appear on the map. As you can see, USA is 9-hour band with our local time, and in the same manner you can add as many times as you want. Okay. Now in the third tab we have a timer. Let's suppose we want to add a timer. For let's say example, if we work on a computer, we don't want to sit more than 30 minutes. So how do we know that 30 minutes is over? For this reason we can add a timer. For adding a timer we have the same procedure as we did in previous task. On the bottom we have a plus sign. We click on that and a window show up like a table is show. This table have 3 columns. The first column is the hours column, second one is minutes, and third one is second. For example, we want to check the alarm, so we can set for 1 minute alarm, and we play and we click on the start button. As you can see, the timer is starting and backward counting is starting. After 50 seconds or less, this a pop-up will appear and remind us that something happened or some alarm and some beep is coming from our system. So we wait for 30 or 40 seconds to see the effect of this procedure. Now in the fourth tab we have a stopwatch. As the name suggests, it tells us how much time is elapsed for certain activity. For example, we perform some task and we want to know how much time it took for to complete. For this reason, we click on the play button as the time goes, and when we have finished our work, we just click on the pause button, so we can see how much time we took for completing any particular task. So this is very, as you can see, there is a pop-up in a bottom which shows that an alarm is running. So we have a choice here to dismiss this alarm, so we dismiss this alarm. Now as you can see that alarm and clock has a very good features and very good features for a normal user, which was not present in previous Windows edition. So in this way we can use alarm and clock as per our preferences. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hello friends, in this video I will discuss a very good feature of Windows 10, which is called multiple copy and multiple paste. So what does it mean? It means if you copy any task or file one time, for example, we can copy it by selecting and right click and copy. Now again we copy second line by Control C, and third time we copy this icon by Control C. Now if we want to paste the first line, we right click and we just click paste. So it will paste the last copied item in our word. But if we want to paste the first line and second line, how can we do it? So we can do it in Windows 10 by using a multiple copy and paste feature. For this feature we first enable this feature and then we use this feature. For enabling this user, we have to go to Windows logo, then we have to move settings, and after getting into setting we move our mouse downwards and click on clipboard. In clipboard we have few options. The first option is clipboard history. By default this option is off. We have to on this option for using multiple copy and paste function. As you can see, it will describe the save multiple items to clipboard for later use. Press the Windows logo key plus V, view your clipboard history in a page. Now we demonstrate that how it's work. For example, now we open up this file. Now this time we copy our first line by selecting and copy, and then we copy our second line, and then lastly we copy our YouTube logo. Now if we want to paste the first line, what we have to do now, we press the Control Windows key along with V option. Now a clipboard is appear on my screen, and we can paste as many things as we copy it. For example, we want to paste the first line from our text, our favorite movie. We just click it, it will paste the first line of our movie. If we want to paste the second line of our document, we just simply press the Windows key along with V, and now we paste the second line of as we copied. Now you can see this is a very brilliant feature in Windows 10 which was not present in previous version of the. Now if we want to if you want to see the some more option regarding the multiple clipboard, again we press the Windows key along with V key. Here you can see the three dots. If we click on three dots, we have few options like delete, pin and clear all. Delete means this line will be deleted from clipboard history. Pin means if we pin something in clipboard history, if we restart our computer, it is always present there until unless we manually delete from this. Now if we don't want any text, we just click on this three dot and delete it from here. And we also clear all the clipboard history by clearing all. Okay, so I think this video is very beneficial for you for your use for using in different location, like you if you browsing on website and you want to copy multiple items and you paste at once in any document, you can use this feature. Thank you very much for your watching.